On Mars, your suit is your life. If it tears, you have 15 seconds before your vision tunnels and the world goes quiet. Today, we're exploring 5 ways Mars can kill you, and why each one is faster and more terrifying than you think. First up, exposure. Mars has almost no atmosphere. The pressure is less than 1% of Earth's. If you step outside without a suit, the pressure drop is instant. You don't just suffocate. Something called ebulism happens first. The low pressure makes the moisture in your mouth and eyes start to bubble, not from heat, but from the pressure drop alone. Your tongue swells, your eyes cloud over. If you hold your breath, your lungs will rupture from the inside out. You'd black out in about 15 seconds and be gone in under 2 minutes. There's no dramatic final speech, just physics. Next, a pressure leak. This is far more likely. Even a pinhole in your suit or habitat drains oxygen fast. The scary part? You don't notice it right away. You might feel a little lightheaded, maybe tired. Then, confusion sets in. Your coordination fails, and you collapse. With a small leak, you might have a few minutes. A bigger tear? You have less than 60 seconds to patch it or get to an airlock. The clock starts the moment the seal breaks, and your body is already shutting down before your brain even catches up. The third killer is silent and invisible. Carbon dioxide poisoning. Mars's atmosphere is 95% CO2. If your life support scrubbers fail or a leak lets that outside air in, you're breathing poison. But you don't choke or gasp. You just feel sleepy. Your body is terrible at detecting low oxygen. It's designed to detect CO2 buildup. When you're surrounded by it, that system gets overwhelmed. You get drowsy, you sit down, and your breathing just stops. Death in minutes. It doesn't feel like danger. It feels like the end of a long day. Then there's radiation. Mars has no global magnetic field and a thin atmosphere, so it gets pummeled by cosmic rays and solar storms. A sudden solar flare can deliver a lethal dose of radiation in hours, causing nausea, organ failure, and a complete collapse of your immune system. But even without a storm, the daily background radiation chips away at you. It damages your DNA, increasing your cancer risk and harming your heart, brain, and eyes. Radiation on Mars is a slow, relentless killer that you can't see or feel, but it's always there. Finally, temperature. Mars is brutally cold. At night, temperatures can plummet to -70 Celsius, or even colder. Your suit is an active life support machine. If the cooling system fails while you're working hard, you can overheat from your own body heat and collapse from heat stroke in minutes. If the suit loses power in the freezing night, the opposite happens. Your core temperature drops, you stop shivering, your heart slows down, and then it stops. Either way, your life depends entirely on that powered system. Mars doesn't kill with drama. It kills with physics. One failed valve, one cracked seal, one sensor you missed. The planet doesn't care if you're a hero. It only cares if your equipment works. On Mars, survival isn't about being brave. It's about being precise, every single time. Because you might only get one mistake, and the clock runs out faster than you think. Thanks for watching. If you found this look into the realities of space exploration fascinating, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into science and space. See you in the next one.